Andy makes repeated attempts to thread a needle. The number of attempts up to and including his first success is denoted by X. State two conditions necessary for X to have a geometry distribution. Okay, to have geometry distribution, first of all, the probability before the succeeding probability must always be same. Okay, if I'm flipping a coin, okay, each and every time it's 0.5, okay, until my first success, okay, it's always going to be 0.5. So if it changes every time, then it's not geometric distribution. So therefore my first one will be probability of succeeding must always be same or constant. Okay, the second one is each attempt should not influence the other attempt. Okay, each attempt should not influence the other attempt, so the attempts must always be independent. Okay, independent. Okay, part 2. Okay, assuming X as a distribution geometry, 0.3, which is the p-value is 0.3 or the success is 0.3, find what is X probability for when X equals to 5. Okay, what it means by X equals to 5 is your first 4 attempts you fail, your first succeed only comes in on the 5th attempt. So therefore first 4 is fail, so 5th one is success. Before that, let's write down all the information that we have. So P equals to 0.3, therefore Q equals to 0.7. So from there we can find out the answer. So X is 0, 0.3. So therefore, to get the answer for the first one, X equals to 5, you have 4 unsuccessful. Okay, so therefore you should have 0.7 to the power of 4, and the 5th one, which is a success, 0.3, and the answer is 0.0720. And for B, the first attempt or first success only comes in after the 5th attempt. Okay, after the 5th attempt, meaning all 5 attempts are failed. So to fail, it's P is X is greater than 5. To fail all 5 attempts is just 0.7 to the power of 5, and this is 0.16823 SF. Okay, and 3 SF. Next, part 3. Suggest a reason why one of the conditions you have given in part 1 might not be satisfied in this context. Okay, 2 things that I've given: probability must always be constant and attempts must be independent. Okay, what will happen every time? This is threading. Okay, this guy is going to thread the needle. Okay, repeating attempt to thread a needle. So it's 0.3, meaning 3 successes out of 10. Do you think every time when I try it's going to be 0.3? Of course, the more practice you do, it's going to improve, and every time when it improves, it's not likely going to be a geometry distribution. So attempts will improve chances to succeed. Okay, and so therefore independent is unlikely. It could increase, the chance could increase or also decrease. Okay, never know. Okay, so that's one of the reasons that you could give. Okay.